Well friends, here is problem number 6. Before going to problem, I will read the given direction. The direction is, in the given questions, there are 4 groups of numbers or pairs of numbers or group of letters of which 3 are alike and 1 is different. Find the one which is different. So here they have given 4 options, first, second, third, fourth. Out of these 4 options, 3 are alike, 1 is different. So we have to find that different one. That will be our right answer. So this is the question, that is 354, 282, 234, 186. Out of the given 4 options, 3 are alike, 1 is different. So how the 3 are alike and how the 1 is different? That has to be found. So 354, is it a perfect square number? 354. Is it a perfect square number, or is it a prime number, or is it a number which can be divided by a particular number, like if it is divisible by 5, or it is it can be divisible by 6, or it can be divisible by some special numbers, and all the 3 alike numbers can be divisible by the numbers like 5 or 6. Do you find such relationship between the numbers given here? By observing these numbers, I am not going to get such relation. They are not perfect square, and even they are not nearer to the perfect square number. Even sometimes what they will do, they will give a number like this, 289. 289 is, yes, 289 is 17 square. And what they will do, they will add some number, 289 plus 3. What you are going to get? 292. So such type of numbers will be given. So first they will do a square number, and then they will add particular number. It may be 3, 5, 6, 7, or even it may be a perfect square number or perfect cube number. Such relation may be given. But by observing the given numbers, I am not going to get any such type of relations. It is not going to be formed by using a perfect square, or they are not nearer to perfect square number. So one thing I can make is, if you are not going to get any relationship that has been explained earlier, so what you have to do is go with the digit sum or digit multiplication. Digit sum or digit multiplication is, yes, you have to take digits. 354. I am having first digit as 3, second as 5, and the third digit as 4. Now what I will do, I will multiply these digits. 3 into 5 into 4. What I am going to get? What is 3 into 5? What is 3 into 5? 3 into 5 is 15. Okay. Now 15 into 4. What is 15 into 4? Yes, it is 60. Now what I will do? I will do the same thing with the second option. I will take 282. Now next step is, I have to multiply the digits. 2 into 8 into 2. What is 2 into 8? 2 into 8 is 16. What is 16 into 2? 16 into 2 is, yes, it is 32. Okay, now moving to third option. Third option is 2, 3, 4. That is 234. So next step is 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 will give me, yes, how much? 6 into 4, 24. Now moving to last option. Last option is 186. Digit sum. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 6 is, yes, it is 48. So I obtained 60, 32, 24, 48. Okay. Now if you observe these numbers, 60, 32, 24, 48. Yes, you can say that 60 is divisible by 3 24 is divisible by 3. 48 is also divisible by 3. The only number which is not divisible by 3 is 32. So this is the different one. The three terms or three numbers 354, 234 and 186 are alike, because if you multiply the digits, you are going to get a term which can be divisible by 3. So that is the relationship between those three numbers. How they are alike means the digit multiplication is going to be, yes, if you get the digit multiplication whatever it may be, it is divisible by 3. And this 282, the digit multiplication is not going to be, yes, the digit multiplication of 32 which we obtained cannot be divided by 3. That's why this is the right option. So this is the different one. The different one is going to be the right option. So this is how we solve. Sometimes you get, yes, such type of problems where you are going to take digits and then multiply them, or even you go with the addition or subtraction. So this is how we solve the problem number 6. Now I will go to problem number 7.